Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch early next year, as revealed in a recent live session by a Nothing employee. While specific details remain limited, there is anticipation building around the Phone 3 chipset and AI capabilities. The latest news hits at a shift in Nothing's direction towards AI integration in its smartphones, aligning with current industry standards. Recent releases from brands like iQOO, OnePlus, and Xiaomi have introduced advanced AI features that are speculated to save the user time and simplify tasks. Known for its innovative approach, Nothing will likely bring similar enhancements to its Phone 3, offering a unique experience. Nothing's AI features have the potential to stand out among competitors like Xiaomi, OnePlus, iQOO, and Oppo. By taking extra time to refine its AI suite, Nothing seems committed to delivering a uniquely integrated experience within its operating system. Carl Pei's focus on a post-app world user experience suggests that the AI capabilities of Nothing Phone 3 will be more than just add-ons like other brands in the industry. They're likely to be deeply integrated into the core of the device operating system, enabling smoother interactions and personalized features that could redefine the typical smartphone experience. If Nothing's approach to AI lives up to the anticipation, it could indeed offer a more seamless and smooth experience as compared to current offerings available in the market. I would love to hear your thoughts on Nothing's AI direction. Feel free to share in the comments. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for early access to exclusive content and the latest tech updates. The link is available in the description. Rumors suggest that the Nothing Phone 3 could be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, bringing advanced AI capabilities to Nothing OS, though this is not confirmed. Another possible option is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, as both chipsets support AI engines and satellite communication. Expected features for the Nothing Phone 3 include satellite connectivity, a telephoto lens, a robust silicon battery of up to 6,000 mAh, 12 GB RAM, and a high-quality 2K resolution display, positioning it as a competitive flagship device with powerful specifications and cutting-edge technology. As for the price, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to be priced around $600 to $700. In terms of Indian rupees, Phone 3 will be priced between 55 to 60,000 rupees. Furthermore, a new design of the Nothing Phone 3 has surfaced online, showcasing a 3-camera setup completely different from the iPhone Pro series design. The device looks striking with this triple lens arrangement, adding a dynamic edge to its appearance. I'll cover the design details in an upcoming video, but if you're eager for an early look, head over to my Telegram channel, where I've posted the latest design images. Don't miss out on this exclusive preview. The link is in the description. So what do you guys think about this latest development? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.